How to turn off safe mode on Samsung Android phone. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn off safe mode on your Samsung Android phone. Safe mode can be helpful when troubleshooting your phone, but if you've accidentally turned it on or you're done with your troubleshooting, you might want to turn it off. Safe mode restricts your phone to only essential apps, disabling third-party apps temporarily, but if you're ready to go back to normal, here's how to get out of it. Let's dive right in. Alright, the first and easiest method is simply restarting your phone. Safe mode is often triggered when you restart your phone, but we can also use this restart to turn it off. Simply press and hold the power button on the side of your Samsung phone until the power options appear. Tap on restart, your phone will turn off and restart. Once it boot up again, it should be back to normal without safe mode. That's it, your phone should now be out of safe mode. If this works, awesome. If not, don't worry, we have more methods to try. If restarting didn't do the trick, the second method is using the volume keys. Here's what you need to do. First, power off your Samsung phone completely. Then, once your phone is powered off, press and hold the power button to turn it on again. As soon as you see the Samsung logo, release the power button but keep holding the volume down button. Continue holding the volume down button until your phone fully boots up. When the phone powers on, safe mode will be off. Now you're back to regular mode. This method works great if you're stuck in safe mode after a restart. Let's move on to the final method. If your phone still won't exit safe mode, the issue could be with the stock volume button. This is a common cause of safe mode being accidentally turned off. Here's how to fix it. To check, make sure that neither of the volume buttons are pressed down or sticking. Gently press them a few times to ensure they're not jammed. Once that's confirmed, restart your phone as we did in the first method, and this should clear up any stuck buttons preventing on your phone from exiting safe mode. So those are 3 methods to turn off safe mode on your Samsung Android phone.